part A of this question, show that the equation 3x squared minus x cubed plus 3 equals 0 can be rearranged to give this. Please don't tell people, but I cheat on this question. I would find it impossible to go from there to there, or very difficult, so instead I write out the question at the bottom of the page and I do it backwards. The first thing to move, that could move quite easily, is that 3. I won't tell the examiner that I'm doing this. X, now it was a positive 3, so it'll become a negative 3, equals 3 over x squared. Now the x squared's being quite awkward as well. It's dividing at the moment, so let's move it to become a times. X squared times x minus 3 equals 3. I've written that quite badly. I think that's supposed to be in the brackets. Are we getting anywhere? No, I can't see this original question yet. So the next thing I'll do is expand the brackets. I've got x cubed minus 3x equals squared equals 3. Missed the squared out there. Am I getting anywhere? I think I am getting somewhere. All I need to do is x cubed has to become minus x cubed, 3x squared has to become positive 3x squared, so what I'll do, I'll move them over. 0 equals, have I got positive 3x squared? Yes. Have I got minus x cubed? Yes. And I've got plus 3. And the next part of this question says, using x to the n plus 1, I always like to think of that as the next term. Well, it's 3 plus 3 over x to the n squared. X to the n, I always think that's the term I'm on, this term. Now there's a trick to doing this on the calculator. It says x naught is 3.2, so you have to type into the calculator 3.2 equals. Get that into the calculator. It won't work without this trick. Then you type into the calculator this formula up here. 3 plus 3 over, so fraction button. The answer, we can use that ANS button. And it says it's squared. And you press equals. x1 is your first answer. My calculator says 843 over 256. I'm just going to hit the SD button. 3.2929. I write down all the numbers in the exam. Now to get x2, it's really easy. You just press equals, because the calculator remembers the previous answer. You should get 3.2766. Continues for a little bit, and then for x3 you can just press equals again. It remembers that previous answer. So my first three answers to this question are 3.2794, and the examiner is expecting to see each of those answers on the answer line. Now what are they? They are improving solutions to the original question. And the original question was 3x squared minus x cubed plus 3 is 0. So we then write 3x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. And if you want to get a perfect solution, you just keep pressing equals for a long time and eventually the calculator will get it right.